Hi dear students, now we are going to explain electric current, electric power. The topic is electric power. So as you know, the definition of electric power, the work done by electric field, electric field in time t is called electric power. So what is that electric power? The work done by the electric field in the particular time t is called electric power. So as you know here, so we are represented electric power P is equal to W by T. So as you know, electric appliance that we use in our daily life, that is heater and a cooker and a fan fan and refrigerator consume electric energy. So that means electric appliance that we use in our daily life like heater, cooker, fan and refrigerator consume in electric energy. So as you know, R is equal, R resistance, and I is equal electric current, and Q is that is charge. Okay, in last class we already told that the definition of resistance, electric current and charge. So here P is equal to W by T. So according to, we know this, that means W is equal to QV. W is equal to QV. So here, so W is equal to QV, so that is Q is represented, that means charge, V is represented potential difference. So here, V, so this total variable means this total equation divisible by T, so there is no change, the value is divided by T and QV is divided by T. So as you know, P is equal to W by T. So have you right to replace W by T P? So P is equal to QV by T. So according to, so since here P is equal to W by T. Okay. So according to electric current, I is equal to Q by T. I is equal to Q by T. So then here P is equal to, Q is equal to, what we'll write? So P is equal to, as you know, that is formula of V into I. That is formula of V into I. So P is equal to Vi. So as you know here, from P is equal to Q by T into V. So according to Q by T is equal to, have we write I. So here Q by T is equal to, we are writing I. So then we can write P is equal to V into I. So P is equal to Vi. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to, what we'll write? V is equal to IR. So we are substituting V is equal to I into IR into I. Okay, so I into I, P is equal to I into I square R. P is equal to I square R. So from Ohm's law, I is equal to, what we'll write? V by I, V by R. I is equal to V by R. So P is equal to V by R whole square into R. So this simplify, P is equal to V square by R square into R. So numerator denominator will get cancelled, V square by R, V square by R. So here P is equal to V square by R. Then cross multiplication, PR is equal to V square, then R is equal to V square by P. So R is equal to V square by P. So it is the resistance is equal to V square by P. So and final, as you know, very important, in examination, 1 kilowatt per hour is equal to how much? 1 kilowatt per hour is equal to how much? 1 kilowatt per hour is equal to how much? Very important question. So 1 kilowatt per hour is equal to. So we know this 1 hour is equal to how much? 60 minutes, and multiply with 60 second, 60 into 60. Okay, so here kilo, so kilowatt means 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000. Okay, so here 1 kilowatt per hour is equal to, kilowatt is equal to how much? 1000 into hour is equal to 60 minutes, multiply with 60 second. So here, so 6 6 are 36 into 10 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5. So 10 to the power of 5. So if you write 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules, that is the electric power. So electric power we are measured kilowatt per hour. That value kilowatt per hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. So it is very important. The definition: electric power, the work done by the electric field in particular time t is called electric power, or the rate of work done. Simply we have to say the rate of work done is known as electric power. So that is, and we are obtained from the R value, from we are applied to that electric current formula, Ohm's law, and finally we are getting 1 kilowatt per hour is equal to value 36 into 10 to the power of 5 or 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. So we'll keep here point, so we the power will be changed. So here point if you keep, so here 5 means we are writing 6. So if you like this video, share and subscribe, don't forget. Thank you.